Now let's say this glass represents your heart. And this represents your bad choices, your sin. Sin darkens your heart, makes it impure. Now how can you turn it clear again? No matter how hard you try, how good you act, you can't get that sin to go away. So what do?
I don't know. You can't just throw out your heart and get a new one, can you?
What if I told you we can make it clear and pure without pouring out any of it? This represents what Jesus can do for your heart. When you choose to follow him, he can make it clear and new. He makes it pure.
And you see, after that, if you make a mistake, only his forgiveness can restore your heart.
I think I get it.
And you know, Professor Malcolm actually showed me a verse that helped me understand this, and so it might help you. It's in the book of Psalms, chapter 51, verse 10. It goes like this. Psalm 51:10.
Psalm 51:10.
God, create a pure heart in me.
God, create a pure heart in me.
Give me a new spirit that is faithful to you.
Give me a new spirit that is faithful in you.
You see, Jesus can take a stained heart and make it clean again. Do you think that verse can help you with your situation, Cameron?
Definitely. I'm so glad that Jesus can help me in that way.
Me too. Just thinking about having to do that all on my own makes me extremely thirsty. Hey! Ooh. Ooh. Guys, that was gym sock water.
Not delicious.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos from the Konnect crew.